MGM Home Entertainment presents Christmas Carol, the movie. A heartwarming new version of Charles Dickens' beloved holiday classic. Includes the voices of an all-star cast with Simon Callow, Oscar nominee Kate Winslet,
Money isn't all that matters,
and Oscar winner Nicolas Cage.
You shall be haunted by three spirits.
And featuring the hit song, What If? Don't miss an all-new Christmas Carol the movie.
Happy Christmas to all of you!
Now on DVD and VHS.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
For the Krank family,
Merry Christmas!
celebrating the holidays is everything. But this Christmas,
I love you.
their only daughter is leaving town.
Just won't be the same.
So Luther Krank got the bright idea to take a holiday
We go away on a cruise and go bask in the Caribbean sun.
from the holidays.
Well, what's the catch?
We skip Christmas.
We skip Christmas.
Isn't that against the law?
But in this town, skipping Christmas
Mr. Crank, we're selling Christmas trees again this year.
We're not going to need a tree.
is going to be a little difficult.
A lot of the neighbors are pretty upset.
From Revolution Studios,
Luther, your face. It's like it's frozen or something.
I got a Botox injection today. Total facial movement return in a couple hours.
he thought no one would notice.
Perfect time to put up Frosty.
They do not get frosty.
Free Frosty, free Frosty.
But the Yuletide
Nora, stop the car. Talk to me, Nora, please.
is about to turn. On November 24th,
Mom, Dad, I changed my mind and I'm coming home for Christmas.
We have only 12 hours.
We're about to have a Christmas homecoming for Blair. And the people in the community stick
We're
together.
having a party. I'm getting the ham.
That ham is mine.
this holiday season,
You really need a tree right now? What do you got left?
Just one.
Nice tree.
I guess we do it for the kids.
one man will discover
It's the greatest time of year, Luther.
that no matter how hard you try,
Let's take the real delicate ones and put them on the sofa.
Spike.
That's invaluable.
What's it say on there?
Baby's first Christmas.
or how far you go,
You could use an umbrella.
No, I don't need an umbrella.
you just can't
Try to relax, will you, Luther?
skip Christmas. Tim Allen,
I love you, Daddy.
Jamie Lee Curtis,
Maybe I was wrong about you.
Christmas with the Kranks.
What are you doing, Luther? Whoa, easy.
Let the magic begin!
Just when you thought Christmas couldn't get any better, the Muppets proved that it can. Join all your favorites for a heartwarming, hilarious, star-studded adventure
Count me in.
of a Christmas lost
Ruined everyone's life with my ridiculous dreams.
and found.
You don't need mistletoe when you're green.
Looks like somebody's been drinking a little too much eggnog.
It's a very merry Muppet Christmas movie
Why, I can't wait to see it.
with deleted scenes,
Ah, not bad.
hilarious outtakes, and much, much more.
That's great. Nice.
Why dream of a white Christmas when you can have one that's green
When we pull together, we can do anything.
and pink
This little piggy's feeling brave.
and brown?
Sure, if you want to go for the obvious.
It's a very merry Muppet Christmas movie.
Amazing.
Now on video and special edition DVD.
Jumanji, the deluxe edition.
I've seen things you can't even imagine.
Packed with all new bonus features. Including Secrets and Riddles, a Jumanji survival game, The Extreme Book of Nature, Ancient Diversion, learn magic tricks using common household objects,
You have no idea what you're getting yourself into.
and more from the book by famous children's author Chris Van Allsburg. Robin Williams, Kirsten Dunst, Jumanji, the deluxe edition.
It's okay to be afraid.
I am not afraid of anything.
It's a jungle in there.
Premiering only on DVD and video. An adventure of epic proportions. For a hero as big as a mouse.
Stuart, it's a long drive. Did you go potty?
Mom!
Stuart Little is hitting the trail.
Hey, Snowbell, y'all ready for our vacation?
You call spending the summer in a cabin in the woods a vacation? I call it cruel and unusual punishment.
And he'll show everyone he can make it on his own.
Don't worry, I'll catch up with you around the next bend.
Forgive me if I'm not overwhelmed with confidence.
Stuart Little 3. Don't miss all the outrageous fun with Stuart.
There's nothing like the great outdoors.
Snowbell.
I've seen cleaner litter boxes.
Monty.
Please?
Stuart's newest pal, Rico.
Slap my tail and call me Stinky.
And the entire Little family in their wildest adventure yet.
You don't want to eat me. I taste terrible. I should know. I lick myself every day.
Pathetic.
Featuring the voices of Michael J. Fox, Gina Davis, Hugh Laurie, and Wayne Brady. If you're looking for big excitement,
glad to be a source of amusement.
Go Little. Stuart Little 3. Premiering only on DVD and video.
Yippee!
Somewhere in this arena, in front of 60,000 screaming fans, the crime of the century has been committed. And only one man can solve it.
Officer Jacques Cluzeux, gendarme, third class. Ah!
That had to hurt.
He's got a partner.
Without warning, I will attack you. In this way, I will keep you vigilant and alert.
Good one.
Thank you.
He's got a clue.
He was just found dead.
Was it fatal?
Yes.
How fatal?
Completely.
And he'll stop at nothing to crack the case. Steve Martin. Kevin Kline.
I see you have one of these collapsible pointers. You just snap it open and
Beyonce Knowles.
Here she is. Newspapers!
The Pink Panther.